Ezi Chineke imere n'ụwa dị mma o. Mekwara ya ụmụ mmadụ ibe m o, ezi Chineke. Onye na-eme mma o, ekpere zara m n'ụwa dị mma. Mere ya ụmụaka ibe m o, ya. Onye na-eme mma o, ekpere zara m n'ụwa dị mma. Mekwara ya ụmụ mmadụ ibe m o, onye bi n'igwe o, otu isi eleta m dị m mma. Mere ya ụmụaka ibe m o, Chioma. Agụ na-eche mba o, ekpere zara m n'ụwa dị m mma o. Mekwara ya ụmụ mmadụ ibe m o, ezi Chineke. Onye na-eme mma, etisi agọzi ma maka o. Chukwu mere n'uyu ụmụ mmadụ ibe m o. Sai. Onye na-eme mma o, ekpere zara m n'ụwa dị m mma. Betty! Betty! How are you? I'm calling on you.
Obiadada, what is it? Why have you chosen not to let me rest in this village? Every time, Betty, 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 what?
Because you've not given me the answer to what I asked for.
Answer? So what is that? Because I cannot remember you asking me anything. So please, remind me.
Wait a minute. You mean you didn't remember me telling you anything?
Refresh my memory.
Okay. Since you didn't remember any of those things I said, let me just repeat myself.
Oh.
I want you to fall for me as a female dog. Then me, the male dog, I'll also fall for you. You know what I'm talking about.
God forbid. I reject it in the name of Jesus. I can never fall. I cast my band. I can never fall for you. Obiadada, take a good look at me now. Wonderfully, fearfully, beautifully, gorgeously made. For a good, rich, handsome man, not somebody like you that walk around picking alimi from the gutters. God forbid. To fear I jump and pass.
I won't take that as an insult. I will take it as a compliment. See, I understand the IGG. The initial garagara is in every woman. That if you don't do it, who will? So what you're doing is what you're supposed to do as a woman. I know you cannot just consider solo to jump on any person that come your way. Yeah, but I want you to look at me. Don't look at me from today, but see future. See tomorrow. Tomorrow is pregnant for me and you. And something in me is really telling me that both of us will make a good, in fact, we are going to make a good relationship.
But Guinea, me and you. Me and you. Obiadada, look at yourself. You don't have a future now. We don't even have a future together. Jai! Just look at you. It's because of people like you that musician sang that song. If you not get money, hide your face. Yes, like this, hide it. Bend it. Don't raise it up. Take it down. Bend it. Hide your face. I can never bring myself so low to be with somebody like you. So whenever you see me, Obiadada, if you see me, hide your face. Don't ever stop me on the way. Not try and stop me at all because I'm not there for your class. Obiadada, look me now. Look me. I know. See the difference between me and you. The distance is just too much. Look for your class. Don't ever stop me. Did you understand? Don't ever stop me. Alumi ma. See as it be.
Obiadada. Ishiene hamia. Anyway, that is not the end of the world for me. After all, it is because of ordinary paper. Paper and kete. That is the reason I have been insulted. Paper, just because it was meant in a different form. A day, 100,000, 100,000, 50,000. That is the reason I have been receiving all this insult from people. Anyway, I could first hear Odara. Shall see. Mama, don't tell me that nonsense. Don't tell me that nonsense. What is even your problem, Seth? Other women will be happy that their son is into something. Oh, when then I will have any more hotel. How would I Eh? Do I look lazy to you? I am not lazy. For me to accept to do that job that I'm doing, that means I am not lazy, just that I'm waiting for God's time. You complain and complain. Just look at one Noziem. Kingsley Noziem. He's into bush clearing. Look at the other person, Aloy Eskiku. He is into mechanic work. Why is my own different? Why?
Obiadada, how many times did I call you? Common sense should tell you that you should listen to your mother. I am your mother and I want the best for you. That is it.
Mama, there is no common sense. If you want to reason, or if you want to suggest for me, or if you want to really advise me to be reasonable, don't use common sense, because common sense does not work anymore. If common sense is working, it can work for people over there, it can work for any other place. But common sense cannot work in Nigeria, it cannot work in Igbo land, it cannot also work in my life. When you talk of common sense, who common sense help? All the people that were waiting for common sense, he choked them. He choked all of them. Nobody made it with common sense. That you heard a snake swallowed money in Asorok. Was that a common sense? You heard a monkey also climbed the ceiling from ceiling Yakuwa Asorok gate. Baiga. Is that common sense? No, listen to yourself. Was that common sense?
Friends,
you talk of common sense as if common sense help.
Just keep quiet. Obiadada, keep quiet. See, listen to me. Your common sense or no common sense, I don't bloody care. All I want you to know is that you will have to go to the city. Because your mates are going to the city. Their own is not different. You will go to the city. I have discussed with my brother Chijoke. And he discussed with his friend. You will have to go there to serve a man that is selling plates. A boy. At the end of the day, they will settle you.
Hey! In fact, if you were not my mother, I would have said the reaction. If you were not my mother, yam karegwa gana igaha like her in the whole of your life.
You have already insulted me.
So, Mama, you opened your mouth to suggest for me to go do boy at this my age. Imagine your brother Chijoke. Chijoke one day you can tell you the nkatataburu. Oh, when you meet you and you are discussing about me. I and Chijoke, who is doing more better? Or because no nature. I will chanja. When you let Chanya discuss, Yahotram his friend. Then he his friend not into plate selling. Afele. Unjawana chaje, just wafia fele. Ungaruba muno umwayin da ababa na eri ababa nuku. Umwayo faku. Nda kandine. Had hane frema madam, what do you want to buy? Afele. Ane mo akana ayo. Or him gago on chagero. Mama, I'm ashamed of you. Instead of me to go to Onitsha, I would rather remain here. Come on, mad in this village. I will go and dig grave and collect money. That business is very, very best and better. A lot of people who are into it are eating because the rate people are dying here. You know what I'm talking about.
You are asking me if I am your mother. I am your mother. I gave you this breast.
I sucked your breast. Yes, I agreed. I sucked it and I sucked in something. Something. I sucked your breast and I suck incense. But you that owns the breast, I'm frog chaff and you're not gonna borrow. Because the way you reason, you don't reason like a mother. No mother, no reasonable mother. No reasonable mother. Ya will not can sit down here and suggest that a man at my age should go for boy sheep. What nonsense. In fact, I don't even know why I'm doing with you.
But come here.
Me,
come and build house. Woo. Marry wife. Take care of me. Feed me in this house. What is your problem? Other children are feeding their mother, taking care of their mother. Building houses, marrying wife, coming back from the city, bringing that motor to this place. My own, F-level. I am just there. Who will take care of me when I grow old?
I'm talking to you. Why are you running faster than your shadow? Do you know who is calling you? I was calling you and you are walking away. Come on, how dare you? It is me, Obiadada. The Obiadada, one of a Kopara community. The Obiadada na akwa Obiadada na ewi. Obiadada omunwa. Obiadada we be say any girl from this community at the hearing of that name, Obiadada, the person will turn with a slow motion to observe me. And I am calling you, you are walking away. Do you know who was calling? Come on, put that thing off and turn around for me. Let me admire God's creature.
ONYII Kabara. Oh, Arago Bidu. I even thought someone reasonable was calling me. I didn't know you are the one. So I should turn around for you. As what? Eh? Ha! ONYII Alimi. Go. 5 naira. Go. You want it? Butia. Kaire 500. So you don't know your class, eh? Do I look like your class? You went to the market to buy the slippers you're wearing. Is your size, eh? So why didn't you buy oversize? I'm an oversize to you. Yes. So next time, don't stop me because I'm not your size. I'm not your class.
Hey, this one don't choke me. This one, he choke me. Wait a minute. Mirima, am I the one you are talking to in that manner? No, wait a minute. Mirima, did you just open your mouth to say I am not your class? Mirima, did you just size me? Am I the one you said that I am not your size? That you are oversized to me? Obiadada, one of this community, the almighty Obiadada. Obiadada that his name rings a bell. You opened your mouth. You sized me with the tip of your hands. You belittled me. Ha! Obiadada dana. Obi jebrulote kona la kobim kajise. Obi ase dada manankuba obi dana. Man, I refuse to fall for you. You cannot push my name down. You cannot rub my name to the moor. I am telling you, you cannot do that. How dare you? Do you know who I am? Oh, wait a minute. Because I managed to talk to you. Yes! Go around this village and ask. Of course, you hear, you are in this village, you know how my name rings a bell. You know how people are lining up for my sake. So you should be grateful that somebody like me even bring out my precious time to talk to you. Why you be Igbo? Eh? Why you be Igbo? I got no more here. Are you up to my class? Because I managed to follow you behind. This is not one thing. Never cooking all.
You know what? I don't blame you at all. I made a mistake in the first place to stop and listen to your trash. I don't blame you. Look at yourself from head to toe. You think you can fit in? No. Full package from above. You think you can fit in? Just let go. Only this. Go. Next time you stop me to say this rubbish. Efriha. Yes. I will try it. I'm not your size. Go and ask about me in this village. They will tell you. One baby. I want a size.
Mira, make you get carbon and tanta. Hey! I have suffered. So it is me. Mirima, me of all people. Obiadada of all people, the international Obiadada. The name that rings a bell. Obiadada na dada, Obiadada, Omonwa. Obiadada one name muchanamosu. My mother started glorifying God the day she gave birth to me. Saying, yes, you look me finish. You said you would tie my entanta. Magam neja bike. Ikem kwaba. Odogwa kata kamoga wokulie no rote. Ya kunu gem. Kige keriri. Ah, as if that one is not enough. Gebola Mike. You expose your two enos for me. Hey! This year. From today to the end of this year, Iga bogidoch like this, Basa Kanobe. Your ochi will really like this, like somebody that was nailed on the cross. Just go and mark it somewhere. Today, Kaubo Toto. This is just morning. I have not started though. But you will line up and beg me. You will beg me, Okwagewa. The book of Malachi chapter 6 verse 17, it says, the time shall come when more than 100 women will line up for a man, begging him just for him to answer his name. And you are one of them. I am seeing you, and I'm sure it must happen. You must stand to beg me to answer my son's name. Okwage, today is morning. Tomorrow may be late. I will see you on a good day, on the day of reckoning. I get record there. Kwamu will be at the cable leak. Give Boramiki came on LASIS come lole as give as a boheremia. I see the promised land and I did not enter into it. I'm a Malagani dega, Mitchell here. Don't worry, this is just the beginning. How dare you? Ordinary woman and Ketty. Even if I said anything, what did I say here that is wrong? Am I the only person that will see a woman and then go after her? I am a man, I should act like a man I am. You don't come to tell me rubbish. You know, I'm not your size here. I think that is not enough. We're all dogunagam. Hey, only came to Guala. Can you? Ah, Iga Basaka, no be. Ochiga, Iga Basaka, ya no be. Go and ask of me. I will deal with you.
Honestly, you are well exposed and educated.
Thank you, sir.
But it's quite unfortunate you're doing this kind of odd job. Yes, you are very, very industrious, and I like it. If all the youths in this village are like you, this community will know development in no time. You're such a wonderful person, and always mindful of your business. Keep it up, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Like you said, I cannot just sit back at home and watch hunger kill me and my mother.
Yes.
So I need to work. They say man must work, whether good or bad. Man must work.
No food for
a lazy man. Thank you. So I need to work, no matter how small or how little I'm gaining. At least work is work. By so doing, God will remember you. They will say, oh, this young man is really hustling. Let me bless him. In fact, in no distant time, people may be asking questions that, why hasn't God remembered you? They don't know the plans of God for me. I believe in no distant time. I believe so.
I love your faith.
Thank
but
you,
one thing amazed me. What do you mean by in no distant time?
Uncle, it's a simple
Abachi
is on hold. Like I said, God paused me. I am on pause. Yes. Several times I have been asking questions. I will say, God, why is my own life different? Why haven't you blessed me like other of my mates? And the answer I keep getting from above is that I put you on hold. I pause you. You know, when a musician is singing or when a radio is playing, once you pause that radio, both the musician and the radio itself will be on pause. Then when you play it, all the gonna no stopping. So I am on pause, and I believe in no distant time, God will release me. And Opope Hana, woo, Ichoku, Yem gana aguzi ugoro gawa no stopping.
It's all right. I like your faith.
Thank you,
and
sir.
The way you do things. Keep it up, right?
Thank you, sir.
How about your mother?
My mother is fine. She's doing well.
All right.
She's doing
all
well.
right. Just send me word to her.
I will, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Mama, this your food tastes nice. It's unlike your food. It's like you didn't economize spices this time around.
So I used to economize spices. Okay?
Yes, of course. See, normally, anytime I eat your food, I will take a purging medicine. But this very one, you prepared very well. This shows that my mother is a good cook. In fact, I'm going to announce it to the whole village that my mother is the best cook so far. My mother is improving in cooking.
Thank God.
Yeah.
At least, thank God this one is better. But you remember that whenever I ask you for money, you will give me excuses. You don't want to bring money for cooking. Better soup, na wetin do am, na money kill am. You must look for something to say.
What are you not saying? So wait oh. If I give you money now to cook, you collect. For what? I am your son. For that, I am your responsibility. You don't need to collect money from me to feed me. You gave birth to me. You should train me till I die. Or when I will look after you till your old age. Don't
Then when you die, when will you now take care of me? Eh?
And I'm
See, let me tell you, you should be grateful. You should be grateful you are born into this great family. Great. Great.
It's a great, it's a great, it's a granite. Which family? Yeah, great family. Mama bo passing you, bo passing you alone. Spit off. How can you call this place great family? Eh? So if people ask you now, where are you married to? Guess how you are married into great family. Do you know what great is all about? Eh? Family where we say mosquito and snakes are all over. If you close one eye, you must open one. Makago mawa baby tag. Can about great. If you bomb me into ato ezenokbo family or we hold job. E money of will here, e money of will here. Ko we fe na life. Ko we fan yoba. Ko we elan here. E making head you. Name them. Ko zaro si China. Ko work on a bajo. All these names are prominent men of this Igbo community.
They didn't come my way. They didn't come my way. If they come my way, I will marry them.
You go their way. If they don't come your way, you go their way.
Anything you like, you talk. It's none of my business. Because those people in the city coming to this village to give their mother money, working there, they are somebody. They are somebody's child. Why is my own different? See, for your information, why I'm here is to find out if you have changed your mind about what we discussed the other day.
What did we discuss?
About our boyfriend, going to sell market in our boyfriend. Have you forgotten?
Chai. What a mother. In fact, you are from mother to a murderer. And we hear war. So you opened your mouth, Mama. Even if I thought the other day you were joking, I laughed over it. Did you see me talk about it again? Because I thought you were talking. So you are serious. You want me, Obiada, the one of Igbo land. Obiada no Munwa. Obiada, at the hearing of my name, every young girl in this community will turn with a slow motion. And once they turn, they will swallow spit. If somebody eventually asks me, what are you into? Obiada Rammepon, see that person I deal with Efere Nkate. Hey!
Obiada.
Mama, you won't have vision.
Obiada.
You won't have vision.
Imakwana haga odarota. I'm gonna wait. But me looking at you, I have a feet again. Look for something to do that will change you. Change. Be reasonable. Don't be a fool. Change ke wuru mmadu. Ka mu kwanu change de ka nne mmadu. Okay, I'm me ojo mo de.
Let me tell you. You're talking about change. Being reasonable. Mama, if you were reasonable enough, you wouldn't have ended up here. If you are reasonable enough, you wouldn't have ended up here. You would have ended up somewhere better. You would have jumped into money. If your husband were reasonable enough, he wouldn't have even think of marrying you, because I'm sure it's either you bring this bad luck for him or he brought it by himself. They're talking about being reasonable. I should follow the footsteps of my parents. I stopped where my parents stopped. My father was not reasonable, because if he was, He would have erected this place. He would have built mansions. And he would have made enough of money to keep for me.
Look at you.
Must be reasonable. Because change your topic. I don't want to.
At your age,
don't get me angry.
Your father built this house. Look at you. Inehu. Genki Megro, what have you achieved? How old are you? Icheneka woman. How old are you?
The young shall grow.
Young shall grow at this age. At this age, the young shall grow. Let's just watch you and see. But remember, you must go to Onitsha. Obwefre, whether you like it or not, it is waiting for you. Urini.
I will do so Obwefre. I will go to Obogonogo. I will also Obwefre Kamgaga. I will end up in Obogonogo. I will do so Obwe. Mama, Obwakoko. I'm a gun or boys and Dara gave a just listen to yourself. I told you that God paused me and I'm not paused. I was paused. Somebody will play music. By the time you are tired, you pause your music. When you are done doing what you are doing, then you play it again. I am under God's pause. Play mo. You will know that I am very, very notorious. Obiada, the one of Igbo land. I had her ball. So don't look down on me. Because if you do, I'm coming up. You are looking down on me. I'm going up. You are looking down on me. I'm going up. I'm a guy about to what did your husband do for me, sir? Be reasonable, be reasonable. Was your husband reasonable? Was he reasonable? My father did not leave any good example for me. Here because he managed to build this small bungalow. Ulo that if I want to build this house, I will build it under 2 weeks. It's not your fault. Because you managed to cook 1 cup of rice. Now gave you guts to come and insult me. My God, boyfriend. My God, boyfriend. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.